to demonstrate various activities which I made during lockdown for the benefit of the students. By observing or looking at those activities, students will be able to clear their doubts regarding some concepts which I am going to cover with the help of these activities. So my first activity is based, which is known as Newton's cradle, which is based on the transfer of the momentum. So in this I have these 5 bobs. I am going to displace first one, and whenever I will release this one, whenever this will be hitting the second one, the fifth one will be moving away from the fourth one. So I am going to demonstrate that one. So in this way I am displacing away the bob. When I am going to release the bob, the fifth one will be moving away from the fourth one. In this way we can see that there is complete transfer of energy from first bob to the fifth one. My second activity is based on the concept that if we increase the temperature of the air, that increases the kinetic energy of the air. So for showing that, I have 2 vessels. This contains hot water and this contains cold water, and a bottle at the neck of which I fitted a balloon. So if I place this bottle in hot water, so that will going to increase the kinetic energy of the air trapped inside the bottle. So because of that, the balloon will inflate. We can see clearly as we dip this bottle in hot water, the kinetic energy of the air inside the bottle increases and that rushes to the balloon. As a result of that, balloon inflates. So now if I keep this arrangement in cold water, we will be observing that the air moved inside this balloon will move back to the bottle. We can see clearly this one. So this is all about the concept. If we increase the temperature, that increases the kinetic energy of the air. That's it. My third activity is based on the concept of the center of mass. As we know, center of mass is a point where whole mass of the system is supposed to be concentrated. So here I have this system, and the center of mass of this whole system is concentrated at this point. You can see clearly we have center of mass at this point. This whole system, mass of the whole system is concentrated at this point. All about third activity. Now I am going to perform the fourth activity. My fourth activity is based on the concept of pressure, in which we know the pressure inside a liquid depends on the height of the liquid column above that point. Here I marked 3 holes, one below the other. So whenever I will be removing this tape which is placed on these marks, so the liquid coming out of first hole, which is at the top, that will be falling very near to the bottle, and the liquid coming out of the bottom hole, that will be falling very far away from the bottle. As we know, pressure at a point in liquid is equal to H rho G. H is the height of the liquid column. So here we can clearly observe I am going to perform the activity. We can clearly see this one is falling very near, this one is far away, and this one is farthest. So this is my fourth activity, which was based on the concept of the pressure. That's all about all the videos, all the activities which I recorded.